I would like to share with you a short presentation today on how to access various programs that we have available through Microsoft Office as members of the Culinary Health Center Providers team. First, start by opening a web browser such as Chrome. After that, we're going to type in office.microsoft.com. Following that, we log in by clicking on the sign in on the right upper corner. And you're going to enter your first name dot last name at med.usc.edu. And then you're going to click on next. Here you're going to log in with your CACMed credentials. It probably would be your last name or whatever username they gave you, and then your 16-digit password, and then click on sign in. The next thing you will notice is that you'll see your name in the right upper corner. Click on your name and then click on work or school. You're going to see all your apps. The first app you're going to see is your Outlook. That will give you access to your Outlook. And then if you click on the dots in the upper corner, you can go to any of the other Microsoft Office programs such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. And if you want to visit our SharePoint, which I strongly encourage you to do so, just click on SharePoint. And that will take you to our SharePoint. And our SharePoint is CHC USC Providers SharePoint. And I have previously sent you a link to that SharePoint. And this is what our homepage looks like. Just briefly on our SharePoint, you have access to various useful features in that SharePoint. Just by clicking on the items on the left side right here. So for example, from here you can go to your Outlook mail. Also, going back to the SharePoint, provider home, you can click on the calendar to see your daily calendar. And other features you can do on the website is you can click on files, links, and folders. And you have links to various useful resources, including the Athena Dragon videos, which I'll demonstrate in a little bit, and various other useful websites, including Hippocrates, care plans, release notes, immunization, screening, telehealth, and various useful websites as well. I encourage you to visit those, and please let me know if you'd like to see any other links in there. We also have Teams, which is a very useful link that enables us to work together as a team and communicate and share files and folders so that we can collaborate on them. You have Yammer, which is a social networking site, company-wide or individual group site that is private. I created a group site called CHE USC Providers Yammer, and that is a private social networking website. And you also have Stream, and that is a very nice option where you can watch some demo videos, just like this one, and tutorials. Again, please let me know if you'd like me to include any new ones. I hope you enjoyed this short presentation. Now, one last thing before we go, there's also the user profile projects DELP, and that's a useful place to put in something about yourself, your experience, your training, so that we can see how we can best utilize each other's skills and work together in the best way as a team. Please use our SharePoint often so that we can work together on this SharePoint and make the best of it for the benefit of all. Thank you.